Boom. And finally, this is a good one. So, I don't know why, but we have a carbon fiber. Seems like a vinyl in the front? Huh, go figure. Let's see. The sensor is broken in the front. I guess I should have started with. This is a 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT. Whoop whoop. Nah, just look at it. This car is one of a kind. Nice. We have a carbon wing in the back. Have a carbon fusers in the bottom. Mm-mm-mm. Come on. Come on now. Nice AMG tires. And it's locked. Man. Wanted to see how it looks inside, but unfortunately we cannot, guys. Such a shame. Such a shame. I wanted to show you guys inside. It is. It's pretty awesome. Yep. Yeah, no. Unfortunately, guys, I'm not able to see it. But again, I think this is a bargain. Another one. Another one. Come on. Like, just think about it. Windshield. Check. Front bumper. And a grill. If the grill doesn't come with the front bumper. Crash bar. Boom. This sensor here is going to be expensive. But, you know, nothing is replaceable. So, again, it's just a bolt in. Boom, boom. Little brackets. For reals. This is a bargain. And you guys get a nice car. I mean, this can be fixed. I know it can be fixed. So don't stress out. If not, you can always just do it like Matt Armstrong from England, replacing the entire dashboard. Steering wheel. Is that a scratch? That's a nasty scratch. Steering wheel is pretty awesome too. It's just that scratch on the top. Airbag, and maybe a knee airbag. But yeah, and we have a bumper in the front. So maybe you guys don't need to buy a new front bumper. But oh well. Man, it's a nice car. Nice spec for sure, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Okay. I wish I can get in, but man. AMG GT. Boom. Let's move to the next one.